Okay, so today we're going to be taking notes on orders of operations. So first thing I'm going to have you do is make sure you have a notebook ready to go. You're going to be taking these notes on your own, and I need you to take a picture and upload them to make sure that you have them down. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write out PEMDAS. So P stands for parentheses. So every time we start off looking at any type of expression, we are going to start for looking for parentheses. That comes first. Next is your exponents. After you get rid of all the parentheses, you are going to look for any exponents in your expression. It's always a to the nth power. Now, remember, to the nth power just simply means it could be squared, it could be cubed, depending on what it looks like. Okay, next we have M and D, so multiplication and division. So it could be either one of these. Remember, when you're following this in a problem, it is always left to right, just like when you read a book. Okay. Last but not least, we have A and then S. So addition first, then subtraction, again, left to right, in that order. Okay, we're going to go through a worked example first. So first example here that I have is going to be on this side, so just ignore this side for now. So the expression that I want you to write down is 20 plus 3, parentheses, 5 minus 1. So first thing that you notice is that there are parentheses, and according to PEMDAS, I need to simplify these first. So I'm going to start with 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 leaves me with 4. So I'm going to put a little bracket around this 4, and I'm going to bring the rest down. So parentheses go around my 4, and I'm going to bring down the 20 plus 3. Now, this indicates multiplication. Whenever there are parentheses around a number and there's just another number on the outside, it indicates multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, I have to do multiplication and division left to right first before I can do addition. So that means I'm going to do 3 times 4, okay, which is going to give me 12. Notice here how I'm multiplying the 2, and I'm going to bring down 20, and then I'm left with 20 plus 12. Okay, last but not least, addition and subtraction, left to right. So 20 plus 12 leaves me with a final answer of 32. Okay, that was very basic. We're going to go to a different basic one again. Again, notice how I'm showing all of the moves. There are always multiple moves when you have examples like this. Okay, example 2. Okay, now I'm throwing in a little bit more. So notice here we're going to go back to PEMDAS. Okay, I'm starting with parentheses. I notice I have 32 divided by 8 plus 7. So left to right, division does come before addition. So I'm going to do 32 divided by 8. That leaves me with 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that down first, and then I'm going to bring down plus 7 because I didn't finish the entire parenthesis. So 4 is brought down plus 7, and then, sorry for this lopsidedness, I brought the 2 squared down plus 10. And I'm not done yet because according to my PEMDAS, order matters. So I'm not done with my parentheses, so I need to finish it out. 4 plus 7. So 4 plus 7 is going to leave me with 11. I'm going to continue to bring down 2 squared plus 10, then parentheses 11. Now, I'm noticing here too, I also have the parentheses here still, which indicates multiplication. But according to PEMDAS, right, I still have exponents. Exponents is next in list, so I'm going to simplify 2 squared. 2 squared is really just 2 times 2, so it becomes 4, and I'm going to bring down plus 10 times 11. I'm going to finish that out because multiplication comes before addition. So 10 times 11 is 110. Bringing down the 4, 4 plus 110 leaves me with a final answer of 114. Okay, so these are very basic examples. We're going to go into additional 2 problems that are going to be multi-step before you get some practice on your own, okay? So finish writing down these notes and then flip to the next page and get ready to write down some multi-step.